Guys, sorry naubusan na kasi ako ng time. Ay, sorry, Kylie. Ayun. Sawa, ikaw. Okay. Ay! So guys, ano nyo na din kayo, subscribe at mag-read your comments ako ngayon. Challenge. Challenge ako, read your comments. Dapat good comments yan, guys. Babasahin ko yan. Oh my gosh. Ay. Guys, puro ulo. Guys, kumawa pala ako. Nagbabay-bye-bye pa sino girl. Di naman ako makakano dyan. Okay. Gamo yan. No girl. Ay, guys, sorry. Dami ko na. Ay! Ang sakit sa puso mo na malaman na wala na kayo. Aray ko. Aray. Lay tayo kay Chelsea, guys. Tapos.
Your side this time. I want your side this time. Not just kidding. I want my side. I want my side.
Guys,
you know what? Okay, I'm gonna.
boy ka nang ba? Okay guys, kakataon na natin ito tumakbo. Mga atake yan. Being abuser. Guys, papatayin ko yan. Fudzuka. Ay, namamato. Matapos ng buhay niya. Sir. Atake ka, guys. Saan ang kinukomment niya? So, guys. Akala niya. Kakatapos ako. Oh. Ay, nag-jump. Guys, parang comment nyo kung anong pwede iralo. Okay, tatapusin ko lang. Na guys, malapit na tayo matapos. Hindi ko natapos yung iba, guys. Huwag kang didikit, be. Huwag kang didikit. No? Guys, ulitin natin. Dumikit tayo. Lah, tayo maka. Labas. Ay, dito pala. Kang didikit. Hirap nito. Ang hirap. Ikan ka pa. Bilis na to, guys. Yun! Shutdown. Oh, 21 na. Ano to? Maze? Guys, malapit na ako matapos. No. So wasted. Ah. Lo, sana huwag ka tumumba. Hindi ka babalik. Para sa'yo, girl, iwasan mo ang lande. Guys, kuha tayo nito. Para sa'yo, girl, iwasan mo ang lande. Okay, guys. Pagkapunta na tayo. Last na to, guys. Takihin natin yung... ano?
Flashes of his forgotten past came rushing back, and he finally learned the truth. His father had made a deal with the first mask to keep his dance king title. The price? Every one of his wife's 73 pregnancies. Jack was chosen as the final sacrifice.
Hi, guys. Tapos ko na.
As a monster, when the dance ended, Jack pulled out the
Let's go.
first time in his life. His face was fewer here. But tell me, you really think his father would just let him?
Guys, kukunin na ako. Guys, natapos natin ang end. Thank you, guys. Yay! We finally finished! Yay! 24 lang to, guys. Marp tayo. Yay! Hagi-wagi. Ah. Guys, nanalo tayo! Lang, may green bean pa siya, guys. Akit tayo.
All of this stuff. But in case you guys are wondering what it does, all it does is reduce time on the mutation machine and it just manages. Other than that, there's really nothing special about it. I guess you brag with it, but it reduces time.
So guys, kung gusto niyo ng next update, sige guys, bye na. Kasi mag-exam, mag-ano pa tayo guys. Sige guys, next update, comment kayo kung anong lalarin ko. Sige guys, bye. I love you, thank you for share nyo naman din to and subscribe and click the bell button para update kayo sa next video. Bye!